Alright, y'all. Super simple hookups with the simplest circuit in the world on a breadboard. Positive from the power supply. Then this back one goes over here to the positive. This one goes back to the power supply. Now we've got these leads. They tap in here and here, and they power the 51 LEDs. They're rated for 2.1 volts max and 20 milliamps. This is how you'd set it up to have 1 meter reading volts, 1 meter giving you your amps or milliamps versus the power supply. Now, losses. This is the voltage here. Now, this is the voltage this thing's pumping out. Now, there again on this thing, see there's no resistors? You don't need a resistor as long as you have a current limiting power supply. If you have anything other than a current limiting power supply, you have to have the resistors for these things, or the current will just go through the roof and fry them and blow them out. Now this is like the simplest circuit ever, but some of y'all want to see this. Main power from the positive from the power supply. This goes to the positive on the other meter, and the common out goes back to the power supply. Then these tap in here and tap in here to power it. It's super simple. It's easy stuff. Y'all probably laugh at it, my 51 LEDs, but oh well. So this will help somebody. But losses throughout the leads and the meters and everything. 2.099 volts. Well, 2.172. That's what the power supply is actually putting out voltage-wise. So there are losses. Everything you use is lossy. So, alright, y'all. Have a good one.